What's going on, guys? Jay, that drain guy. So the maintenance guy was here last night, said he snaked it out. I kind of don't believe him. So we're going to use our auger from Rigid. It's a 6-foot auger. With the drop head. So you make sure the boot is all the way in. Then you got to make sure you always snake clockwise. It looks like lettuce. You guys can see I got some tape on the boot, and that is just so that the boot doesn't slide up. Run some toilet paper through. If you guys are liking this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and actually let me know what you guys think they put down there. Obviously it was lettuce. Was it part of sandwich? Was it, I don't know. You guys let me know. Alright guys, thanks for watching. This has been Jay, that Ringa, signing out. Until next time, Toilet Auger.